Hey guys, it's Maylee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing items from GEARBEST that were sent to me for free for the purpose of this review. All opinions are mine and honest, of course. And if you would like to purchase any of these items you see in this video, check out the links in the description below or go to their website, which is gearbest.com, and they offer cheap and affordable products that are good quality, and their products range from technological equipment to slime supplies, which is what I'm going to be reviewing today. And I absolutely love their website. They have so many cool things and it reminds me of Amazon, but the prices are way cheaper. So yeah, you should check them out. Thank you GEARBEST for sending me these items to review. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Alright, let's start off with this colorful slime slash putty kit or item. And it looks pretty nice. The packaging though is a little bit damaged, I would say. So let's just take it out.
Two straws and these shape maker. I think they're for making shapes, and these are for blowing bubbles in. So this first one is orange.
The color is really nice. It's like light, but it's a perfect kind of shade for orange. And it's very clear, as you can see. It's not the stretchiest, but I love putty like this because it makes that sound. I'm gonna use this. I think do we just do that? Not sure. Oh, okay. So it sort of works. So yeah, these are just for shaping your clear slime. This is really nice. Okay, blue one. Wow, look at that color. I'm pretty sure all of them are the same texture, so I'm not going to spend time playing with each one, but they're really cute and different colors. As you can see. So I was sent these foam balls, and they're purple, of course. So I can put them in slime, and hopefully they don't leak. I will be trying these out later. I also received 8 containers, and these are like these slime containers. They're really cute. I love how how perfect the size is. You could play with a variety while you're in the car waiting to reach a destination. So this is really nice and inexpensive on their site.
The next things we have are these cute squishy phone case things. I'm not sure what they're actually called, but they're so cute. We have this bunny. Panda. And a cat. These are so cute. Oh, they're squishy.
These are so cute. Oh my god. They feel like mochi. Like the back does. It's so weird. The face on the cat is kind of wearing out, like the eyes, but I think I could paint them back. It's so squishy though. They're bouncy. So yeah, these are really cute. I think they were $1 each or less. And other sites would probably sell them for maybe like $5, I think. So this is a really good steal. This next product is a smiley face container with yellow slime inside. So you just take it off like this. And then the back. This is a really nice, it's like a putty again. It doesn't stretch that easily, but it's not sticky at all. And it's really clear. The color is also really nice. The next product is this blueberry slime. And the color is really pretty. It has glitters in it. And this is more like a slime. Like I could poke it and stretch it. And it's a lot softer. It's also clear.
This next product, I'm pretty sure it's spilled and leaked because there's very little of each. So as you can see, there's very little of each except for this one. So this one is a really pretty blue color. And sorry about my fingers, they're ugly. But they're also kind of hard. This one seems like it has dried up, so this will be discarded. This green one is also a really nice color, but it mixed with the others, so I'm just going to make it a tiny slime smoothie. Next is this purple. It's also kind of dried, but it'll do. And then this brownish color, which I'm pretty sure they mixed to get this color. But the container is very adorable. Just look at it, it's a star. Okay, on with the next product. We have this really nice clear slime. There's also female slices in here. So it's shaped like a heart, the container. Wow. Look how nice that is. So this one also feels more like a slime. It's really clear and nice. There's like grapefruit, lemon, strawberry, dragon fruit female slices in here. You see my thumb.
The next product are these Macaron. I think it's Macaron slimes. And they're really nicely packaged. They look like macarons. I don't know. So yeah, let's see what they look like. Oh, there's one stuck. I balanced it. Oh my god. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
So these macarons come with 6 slimes and these cute cardboard-like things. I don't know what they really are. Okay, so there's like holes. There's like holes in the middle of the top, and you poke it through. Then there's also holes on here. There's holes on here, and you use these clips to hook them on. I'm not sure how, but it's possible, I guess. So let's just see what the slimes are. So this, let's put it all around. This first one is a reddish pink color. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Do you see this? It's so clear. It's like a blood. Like blood. It's like jello. Has that feeling. And the containers are so cute. Oh wow, that was easy to put back in. Okay, purple. This kind of reminds me of like grape jelly or some kind of grape thing. Because it's not like a vibrant purple, but I really like this purple, or this color at least. Not sure why, it just looks nice to me. Same texture as the last. And easy to put back. This next one. Oh, whoa. Hello. What? Wow. Oh, that's so nice. I think this is my favorite color so far. Wow. So the colors inside correspond with their colors on the outside, or like whatever color their macaron is. This one's green. I also like this color. It's so nice. It's like a nature green color. This next one is pink. Whoa! Okay, so if you ever had like those Asian jellos that are in a stick-like plastic thing, I don't know how to explain it, but there's like a lot of them in one tub or container. This reminds me of it, and I really want to buy some now because childhood, and oh, it's so pretty. Has great bubble pops too. It's not stretchy. I kind of want to eat it, but it's probably not good for me, so I'm not going to. If it was edible, I would. Okay, last one is the yellow. Whoa, what a refreshing color. Oh my god, it's so cool. Like, you see my nails? This also reminds me of the Asian jelly that I used to eat.
Fingerling. So as you can see by the box, you put it on your finger and it does cool and magical things because it's a unicorn manual. Here's the battery information and here's how to use it. Okay, so you put it on your finger. There's a on button. Oh. Alright, so oh my gosh. Okay. Blow kisses to your unicorn. It will kiss you back. Is it broken? So this next item was packaged in a really big box for the size, and most of what was inside was the bubble wrap, and I was really surprised, but at least they have good secure packaging, which is really good. So this is an M&M container, or like shape container, and there's a clear putty in it. This putty was just like any other putty. It was not as stretchy, but super clear and glittery, which I really loved. So this next thing is a fish squishy. It wasn't that soft, but it was really big and I was surprised. And yeah, I liked the detail, and the eye was super nice. It was like, I don't know if it's hollow, but it has color changing stuff. So yeah, it was really fun to play with and squish. It was very detailed. I liked it. This next item is the penguin game. You probably seen it on Instagram where this elderly lady plays and she's like concentrated on it. So I decided that I really wanted to try it out. So I got it, and it's super easy to play with and make. you just put the little blocks inside and you spin the wheel, and you'll see how many times you will hit the block and try not to knock the penguin down. So I won at this game a lot because I'm so good. But this is basically how you do it. You just hit the blocks and try not to get the penguin down. I also got this foam bead, and it's in this container. It came in another large box for the size, and it was filled with bubble mailer or bubble wrap. And I was so surprised because it was really light. So they're really secure with their packaging. That's like a main thing I want to point out. Shipping was a bit slow because it's all the way across the country for me at least. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to buy from GearBest. All the links are down below, and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.